You got me down again.
Quick video here. Had this car come in. Actually had a bunch of artillery mold. Got a bunch of it off, and then of course you find more as you go along. And it was really just on this one side, but I found 3 spots here that I missed. So I'm pre-coating, and I said, I'll wipe it and see what it does. So I'm using Gyeon Q2m Prep. Now, it takes a little bit of wiping, okay, but it actually takes it off, which is pretty cool. Usually I have to use like peroxide or clay the heck out of it, but you got to work it in a little bit. That one's pretty thick, so it's probably gonna take a little bit of wiping. But I notice if I just let the pre-coat kind of soak in there, just kind of massage it. I'm not really applying a ton of pressure. Obviously I don't want to scratch the paint, I've already polished it. But look at that, boom, gone. So what I'm doing is just kind of bunching up my towel and just kind of focusing, just leading with my middle finger. This one's probably gonna take some effort. I think I can get it off eventually though. It's getting fainter already. Let me let some more pre-coat soak in there. I got another one over here. It's really faint. It's right there, if you can see it. That one's gonna come off really easy. But just kind of like circular motions, I noticed, and yeah, that one came off really easy. But I'm pretty shocked. It took it off. Usually you gotta flick them off with your finger or use some kind of fallout and really let the chemical absorb in there and clay it off or do whatnot. This one's really heavy. This one I didn't even, I must have completely missed this one with the clay somehow. It's really in there. It's almost gone though. I guess I'm just kind of treating it like if I was using like a clay mitt. I'm just going over and over and over. That chemical's working in there and it's gone. So just another way that Gyeon is helping me. And I'm sure I'll probably find 1 or 2 more. I did this whole door. I didn't find any just that one spot. Oh, one right there. Let's see how easy this one comes out. Where'd it go? There it is. And it's gone. So again, Gyeon impressing me more and more every day. Making 2009 Hyundai Genesis look like new.